Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. So today I'm going to cook 6 Olde English farmhouse pork sausages. And some ingredients there as well. I'm going to use a bit of butter, a bit of Kerrygold. In Sainsbury's today, I managed to pick up there we go, some ingredients. So I'm literally going to put them in a pan, cook them up, slice myself a bit of bread and yeah, make a sandwich out of it. But I did treat myself to, bought myself a new knife. Well, I bought a set of knives actually. With my new loaf of bread, new knife, first time using. And how does it cut? Cuts alright. Maybe we should try cutting it that way. Looks like my cutting skills ain't got any better really. But there you go. Sort of the same, but not really. So a nice bit of fresh bread for me farmhouse sausages with me farmhouse bread. With a new knife. There you go, we've done that. Right, let's get the sausages in the pan. So just a bit of butter in the pan. Just gonna get some sausages in there. Well, about 6 actually. And there you go, that's that. I was going to put them on a low and slow, so not to burn them, and also use a lid. Still not the right lid, but you know, that'll be alright. Oh yeah, they smell lovely, they do. So nice sausage sandwich tonight. Today, now. When's this weather ever going to break? I'm going to get some rain. Or is this going to be the way for the future? Big droughts. Let's hope not, eh? about done. I'm just going to brown them off a bit. About 10 minutes. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have these sausages out in a minute, get some bread in there and soak up some of that flavour. Bit of butter, bit of pork juice, and then flavours in there. How do people like their sausages? Do you like them lots of colour, or do you like them just cooked? Cooked, not overly burnt, not overly brown. Overly black. Oh. Oh yeah, that's it. What we're about there with them. Just going to get them out. Going to cook the bread off, inside only. But not overly cooked off. Right, we're about done. Oh, I'm just going to cut through this sausage. There we go. Lovely. There we go. Sorted. I'll just have that other one. Bit of extra flavour there. See if I've got a... Oh. There we go, people. What a difference a sharp knife makes, eh? Just have to dip your finger on top of it. Right. So, just going to have a bit of brown sauce on that. Bit of brown on there. Bit of brown sauce on there. Lovely. Bit of HP sauce. Right. That's a tasty sausage, that is. Enjoy your day, everyone. I'll see you later. Bye bye.